Hi guys, how are you all? So let's have a freehand portrait drawing session with me. Myself, Shankho Adhikari, self-made artist, and I do portraits in freehand. Today I will do this portrait of Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. So if you want to join and do the portrait with me, please bring out a paper and a pencil and let's start with me. Okay. So first I will draw a line from the eyes and a vertical line from the nose, and from there I will start drawing the eyes first, then nose, then lips and the chin. Okay, so let's start. I will do it slowly so that you can understand the process of drawing. So draw with me. Okay, so first I'll draw an eye line and a vertical line that goes from the nose and the lips. These two lines are my reference. Now draw the eyebrows. You can see the reference. The eyebrows are in this shape. Draw with me. This shape. Now I'll draw the eye. I'm drawing in freehand, so don't expect the result to be exactly same. But I'm trying my best to bring out the exact face, but everybody knows that this is impossible in freehand. We cannot expect the result to be exactly same, but we have to try in freehand. If you don't try, then you cannot draw freehand portrait. So this will be my nose. I'm drawing the second eye. Second eye is, look at the reference. This. The second eye will be this shape. And this will be my eyes and nose. Now going to the lips. This is the upper part of the lips. Look at this shape of the face. Now the lips. Like this, and lower part will be like this shape. Okay, so the chin. Okay, first I am shading some portion with a charcoal pencil. This is a charcoal pencil from Camel brand. I'll do some dark work with this charcoal pencil. The eyebrows and the eyes first. You have to observe the portrait very minutely. Observing is the first step of drawing. Observe a portrait for at least 15 minutes so that you can understand the shapes of the eyes, the nose, the lips. Understanding is very important. So my eyes. And this portion is like this. Now shading some portion, I bring a charcoal, woodless charcoal pencil. This is a woodless charcoal pencil. I use it for shading. Woodless charcoal is very good for shading because there is no wood and you don't have to sharp it again. Just like this. Shade it like this. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Now from the nose. This is a charcoal pencil from Signy Youth. The brand name is Signy Youth. You can buy online from Amazon. It's a good quality hard charcoal. And it's good for shading. And do the shape. Look at the shapes. With some highlights. Yes. Do the some dark work. There is some dark places at this point. Shadow part. On the lips. I'm using a sketchbook from Brushstroke brand. It's a earth tone sketchbook. It's not working very well. I'm not very satisfied with the texture of the paper, but I bring it. So I want to test this paper. Let's draw our chin. Chin is looking like this point. I'm not very satisfied with the paper. The paper is not working very well. The shading is not going very well. It's okay. I bought it and I have to test. Look at this portion, head portion. There is some highlight coming from backward. So this. The portrait is not going very well, in my opinion. It's okay, but it's not very good, according to me. The shape is okay, but something is missing. So let's try to bring the, let's erase the lines, reference lines. It's distracting, so I am erasing the reference lines and shading some shadow parts. So I'm not very satisfied with the drawing. It is going okay, but okay, not very good. But it's okay, can happen with any portrait. I'm just doing my shading and talking with you all so that you can not get bored. Not this. I will not draw the full portrait. I will only draw this side face because I am not very satisfied with my work. So I will not do the whole work. I will only do this face, side face. Okay, not the total face. If you have any doubts, any questions, please comment and I will answer for every questions. I'll try to answer. Yes. Checking this way. Shading that portion simply. And this line will be there. Okay. I'll leave it, and I'll not do more because I am not liking my drawing, so I will leave it here. Do some corrections and finish my sketching work today. I'll do sketching every day, so follow me and connect with me so that you can do with me daily. So okay, I'll leave it here. Thank you for being with me, but today's work is not very satisfactory for me. So thank you, bye bye, good night everybody.